Hi everyone, I'm Leo the Explorer. Today I'm visiting a farm. I hear there's someone special I should meet.
Step in the barn where warm hay lays. The sun peeks in with golden rays. Clara moves with poise and grace. A ballet in this farming place. Moo, 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 twirl and sway. Cleo loves this barnyard ballet. Milk and love in every spin. Life on the farm starts deep within. She shows young calves how to walk and listens close when farmers talk. Each day brings food, care and cheer. That's the rhythm we dance to here. Moo, moo, twirl and sway. Leo loves this barnyard ballet. Milk and love in every spin. Life on the farm starts deep within. Milk to drink, to cook, to bake. From butter pats to birthday cake. Thanks to cows who do their part with gentle hooves and gentle heart. Moo, we twirl and sway. Leo loves this barnyard ballet. Thank you, Clara, kind and true. You taught me what a cow can do.
This little one is adorable. Will she grow up to dance like you?
With time and care and steps just right, she'll twirl beneath the morning light. Just like me, she'll proudly stand, a graceful cow across the land.
Clara taught me so much. How cows help on farms, where milk comes from, and even how to dance slowly and proudly. I'll never look at a glass of milk the same way again. Where should I explore next? Maybe a forest friend is waiting for me?